Hi, third grade. Today we are going to understand equal groups of as multiplication. Let's start with an easy question. How many arms do you have? Exactly. We all know that we have two arms. So one person has two arms. Now, how many arms do 10 students have altogether? Let's skip count by twos to find out how many arms they have altogether. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. There are 20 arms in all for 10 students. I'm going to represent this now using a repeated addition sentence. So there are 2 arms here, and I'm going to add another 2 arms, plus another 2 arms, and I'm going to keep adding the 2 arms every single time. And I know that when I add all these 2's up, there are 20 arms in all. So 2 plus 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 2 equals 20. That's a really long repeated addition sentence. So another way you could represent that is by saying how many 2's there are altogether. I know that when I count all my 2's, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So another way I could represent this is by saying there are 10, 2's. There are 10 2's. Or a third way I could say that is by saying there are 10 groups of 2. 10 groups of 2. And remember what I said earlier. This groups of is just another fancy way of saying multiplication. So I can also say 10 times 2 equals 20. Let's go ahead and look at the next slide. Look at this picture. These two groups are equal because there are 4 gray circles, all the same size and shape, in each group. Watch me write a repeated addition sentence and a multiplication sentence for this picture. So right underneath each group, I would write 4, because there's 4 in this group, plus 4 in this group. There's my repeated addition sentence. Or I could say 2 times 4, because there are 2 groups, 1, 2 groups with 4 in each group. And I know this multiplication sign is just another word for saying groups of. 2 times 4 or 2 groups of 4 equals 8. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. They both have the same answer because they both represent the same picture. Let's look at the next picture and the multiplication sentence I wrote to represent it. I have my drawing with 4, 4, and 3, and the multiplication sentence 3 times 4 equals 12. This multiplication sentence does not match my picture, because I know that this multiplication sentence is another way to say 3 groups of 4 equals 12. I don't have 3 groups of 4. I have 1 group of 4, so I'll label this 4, plus another group of 4, plus a group of 3. So I don't have 3 groups of 4. My addition sentence would equal 11, not 12. So this picture does not match this multiplication. The most important rule is you can only do multiplication when the groups are equal. These groups are not equal. 3 groups of 4. Multiplication is only represented when my groups are equal. If the groups aren't equal, you can't make a multiplication sentence out of it. We're going to go ahead and complete the first problem on the problem set together. So we're going to complete A together. Now, feel free to pause the video or rewind at any time if I'm moving too fast. So the first problem reads 3 groups of 5. There's that word groups of again. So I know groups of is just a fancy way of saying times. So I'm going to put a multiplication sentence right above that. So I know that this is just 3 times 5, or 3 groups of 5. Here's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. 3 groups of 5 equals, I could skip count, 5, 10, 15. 3 groups of 5 equals 15. 3 fives. Well, here's 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s. 3 5s equals 15. And the multiplication sentence, 3 times 5, I know now equals 15. I was able to represent it 3 different ways and use what I know about the word groups of to help me solve. I want you now to go ahead and circle B and D down at the bottom. Then go ahead and flip the page to the next page. B, D, number 2, and number 3. I will be working with you in small groups to make sure you are solving correctly and showing the correct notes. After you have all your answers completed on these 2 pages, go ahead and replay the video to check your answers with mine. Are you ready? Go ahead and pause. Go ahead and check the answers that you have on your paper with mine right now. Feel free to pause the video and rewind at any time if you need to continue to check. You did an excellent job today understanding equal groups of as multiplication. Check the board to see what your next step is in the lesson is.